Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to add multiple stocks in the watch list. First we need to visit to NSE website and then select equity market. Then we have to select the indices we want. I'm selecting Nifty 100. After that all the stocks listed under Nifty 100 are all shown up in the screen. Now we need to click to download file and open it in Excel file. And select all this and delete it. Only symbols of stocks are useful. Now we have to sorting all the symbols of Nifty 100 in ascending order. Insert serial number 1 to 100. After this, we need to add a formula. Copy this formula and paste it in Excel. Scroll down till the end. Then select all the 100 stocks. And copy the text file. Name it as Nifty 100. Save it. Now let's go to the trading platform. Then click import list. Select Nifty 100. Then we have saved in the text file. Now all the stocks, 100 stocks are all in the watch list. Like this, we have to add multiple stocks at once in our watch list. Thank you for watching.